Hello, dear friends. Welcome on my channel Dajlanka. Today I am going to technical review of Mercedes-Benz C-Class, which will be released on year 2022. Overview. With a complete redesign in store for the 2022 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, the entry luxury car segment is in for a shake-up. The C-Class has long served as the entry point to the Mercedes-Benz lineup, but new additions to the brand in recent years such as the A-Class sedan have allowed the C-Class to move upmarket and better battle rivals such as the Audi A4, BMW 3 Series, and Genesis G70. The all-new 2022 model will continue to be built on a rear-drive platform, will be powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and will offer all-wheel drive as an option. The cabin is where we see the most modernization, as the C-Class inherits styling elements and technology from the newly redesigned 2021 S-Class sedan. What's new for 2022? In short, everything. Even though the new C-Class's styling isn't a huge departure from the 2021 model, the 2022 model year marks the start of a new generation with more luxury and a greater number of high-tech features. We expect to see the redesigned C-Class in Mercedes dealerships by the end of 2022. The progressive nature of the C-Class is evident before you even enter it. From the outside, the combination of a short front overhang, long wheelbase, and sporty hood with twin power domes help accentuate the appearance of forward motion. The windshield and passenger cell have been moved to the rear for classic proportions that are known in the industry as a cab backward design. Meanwhile, the brand's hallmark radiator grille and new two-piece LED tail lamps bookend a sleek, compact body design. Rather than serve up options a la carte, as it did on the previous generation car, Mercedes-Benz will offer three distinct trim levels on the 2022 C-Class: Premium, Exclusive, and Pinnacle. A breakdown of available features indicates that the mid-range Exclusive trim should satisfy the broadest swath of buyers, as it includes niceties such as a 360-degree exterior camera system, a self-parking feature, wireless smartphone charging, and a Burmester premium stereo system. Although we expect Mercedes will continue to offer the C-Class in coupe and convertible body styles, only the sedan will be available at launch. All models come standard with a large infotainment display, a digital gauge display, heated front seats, automated high-beam headlamps, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a sunroof, and much more. Mercedes-Benz's 4MATIC all-wheel drive system is optional, but we'll leave that up to you to decide if you need it. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The 2022 C-Class brings in a range of high-tech features derived from our flagship S-Class. Central to the driving experience is the all-new 11.9-inch central touchscreen multimedia display. Just like in the S-Class, the portrait orientation enables full-screen navigation is also tilted 6 degrees towards the driver, a design choice that underlines the vehicle's sporty character and is exclusive to the C-Class. Nearby, within the freestanding 12.3 inches digital instrument panel, drivers can customize their aesthetic, choosing from sporty, classic or understated display styles, and 3 modes: navigation, assistance, and service. Elsewhere in the interior, a special seat design uses layers and enveloping surfaces to create a visual impression of lightness. The dashboard is coated with available MB-Techs in the AMG line, and a range of available trim options showcase the surrounding features. Plus, the vehicle interior becomes even more intelligent with the second generation of MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience. That includes the Hey Mercedes voice assistant, integrated music streaming and more. A fingerprint scanner in the central display even allows you to log into MBUX quickly and securely so you can activate your personal settings. If you prefer, you can even use your unique voice to load your profile. The most dramatic change for the C-Class comes in the form of a new high-tech cabin. All models come with a digital gauge display, touch-sensitive controls, and a host of amenities. The new model sports a steering wheel that looks similar to that of the redesigned S-Class sedans, and Mercedes offers a generous list of standard luxury features such as heated front seats with memory settings, a sunroof, open-pore wood trim, and aluminum accents. Overall, the 2022 C-Class is about 2.5 inches longer than the outgoing model and its wheelbase has been stretched by an inch. Mercedes-Benz says that results in more rear seat legroom, but we won't know how noticeable the difference is real life until we get a chance to test drive the new model, infotainment and connectivity. A large, 12.3-inch vertically oriented infotainment display similar to the one in the redesigned S-Class sedan sweeps up from the center console and toward a trio of round air vents on the upper dashboard. The touchscreen is tilted slightly toward the driver for easier use while driving and runs the most up-to-date version of Mercedes' MBUX infotainment system, complete with the voice-activated digital assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and online access via a Wi-Fi hotspot. All models also come with an 11.9-inch digital gauge display and a fingerprint sensor to authenticate the driver's unique profile for memory settings. A head-up display, a wireless smartphone charging pad, an ambient lighting system, and a Burmester surround sound stereo system are all optional extras. Safety and driver assistance features. Mercedes equips the C-CLS with a host of standard driver assistance features, but unfortunately the car's coolest tech, which includes an adaptive cruise control system that utilizes navigation data to adjust the vehicle's speed for upcoming curves and roundabouts, is still optional. For more information about the C-Class's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Key safety features are likely to include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, available lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode, engine, transmission, and performance. In terms of performance, the C-Class sets a new standard in efficiency with a systemic electrification of the modern four-cylinder engine. The gasoline engine now has an integrated starter generator that uses a 48-volt onboard electrical system to allow gliding, boosting and energy recovery, and the newly developed segment turbocharger is a result of intense collaboration between the Mercedes-Benz turbocharger developers and the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team. The combined effect is an irresistible mix of power and efficiency. The 2022 C-Class will continue to be powered by a 255 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, but this time around it's enhanced by a 48-volt hybrid system that can temporarily provide up to 20 extra horsepower. All-wheel drive remains an option, with rear-wheel drive being the standard setup. A 9-speed automatic is the only gearbox offered. We haven't had a chance to test the 2022 C-Class at our test track, but Mercedes-Benz estimates that it will hit 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. We believe that number is fairly conservative, since the previous generation C-Class managed a 5.4-second result. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't posted fuel efficiency estimates for the 2022 C-Class yet, but the new car's ratings shouldn't deviate much from the current model, which is rated at 23 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway. When we get a chance, we'll put the new C-Class through our 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy test and report its results here. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Mercedes-Benz admits that benefit from its standard warranty offerings. Otherwise, all new Benzes come with an industry-standard plan that covers most things for up to 4 years or 50,000 miles. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.